Hi, Micheal Lichter. I'm back for Dennis Kirk with another Lichter Live here in my exhibition hall at the Sturgis Buffalo Chip. This is the 21st year that I've produced a themed exhibition, and every year those themes change. This year I called the show More Metal, Motorcycles and Art That Never Quit. And that's what it's about, because think about it. These people have been in business at least 20 years and built at least 20 bikes. What does it take to stay in business anymore in any business, right? And some of them, like Mondo, Arlen Fatland, Donnie Smith, Dave Peretz, they've been in business 50 years. I think that's just incredible. We also have a lot of unveils. Most of these bikes have never been seen before. Some have, but most haven't. But then there's bikes like this R18 BMW, R1800 that Shinya Kimura did. They gave him this brand new bike to do the Shinya Kimura touch on, and I'll tell you, he does it. It's unique, and his handcraft work, and you usually don't see it on this kind of a modern new bike. And then we have this bike from Paul Cox and Kano and a brand new Indian Chieftain that Indian provided to them. Both of these bikes, the Indian and the BMW, unveiled to the public for the first time in this gallery. And this is, of course, showing off the new steel tubular tubing that Indian's gone back to for the Chieftain, which is ideal for builders like Dennis Kirk garage builders to modify and customize. So we're looking for a lot of those coming up in the future. There's a lot of builds here that well, I'm going to show you some more in some upcoming videos, so we'll do a few more, but I wanted to give you this overview. Again, my work's on the walls. I have about 110 frame photographs. I only do this every 5 years with my own work. Otherwise, I'm a curator that I put together other artists, and I come up with the theme idea, and I produce the whole show. And actually, if you watch upcoming videos, you may want to, because I'm going to announce the theme for next year's show in one of these upcoming videos. So please tune in.